of times you can really sit there and you can run those experiments in the lab and understand what's happening. Geology, our process is happening so slowly and over such fast timescales that frankly a lot of times we're left interpreting insufficient data. So there's sort of a poetry in trying to tell a story from just a few fragments of information.
I like geology because I get to do a little bit of everything. I get to study physics, I get to study chemistry, I get to study biology, I get to worry about, whether or not people's water is clean. I get to worry about things like fossils and where different species and things came from.
Our curriculum is actually written around what other employers have identified as being the important characteristics of a professional geologist.
Our program here at EKU is a very good one, most especially because we cater to the individual student. We have great student contact with the classes, and moreover, many of us as faculty, we actually include students in problems and projects that we do during the summer, which really deepens their understanding of geology.
At EKU, I think the biggest class I have right now is 24 students. It's really nice getting to know your students' names by week 2 or 3. As a result, I know what's going on in my students' lives. I know when they're struggling, I know why they're struggling. I can give them a lot more individual attention.
When I was actually deciding to come to college, I was trying to pick different colleges to go to, and one reason EKU stood out among the rest is because right on the website is small class sizes. The geology community here at the school, professors and students, is great, but student to student is even better. It's great to have people who have been in other classes that can really help you out. They're your friend and someone you can grow with in geology as a student and then in your professional lives after you graduate.
When our students leave EKU, they work in a variety of fields. We have many students who are all throughout Kentucky government. We have some graduates who go out west. Hydraulic fracturing is really big right now, and so several of them have gotten good jobs in the hydraulic fracturing industry.
We also just get to talk about other things, questions they have about working, questions they have about applying places, about graduate school, and we really get a lot of time, especially when we're doing research together, just to kind of figure that stuff out.
At first I just wanted to go through the program and get a job, and then the research opportunity kind of just fell in my lap, and now I kind of want to go to grad school because I see the positives in going to grad school.
All of our students, we require to have some sort of major substantive research experience. So this past year we had 2 students who went to Turkey and they studied the Anatolian Fault for their field camp. We also have students who go out to Colorado, Wyoming, Montana, South Dakota, Utah.
When students do a research project, they pick up all kinds of specific skills that have to do with geology. They pick up other kinds of skills which they can use in just normal life if they decide they don't want to become geologists, professional geologists.